Starting a Shopify dropshipping business in Pakistan is a great way to enter the e-commerce world with minimal upfront investment. Pick a profitable niche. Consider niches that have demand but aren't overly saturated. You can explore products like beauty, fitness, home decor, gadgets. Use Shopify apps. The easiest way to find dropshipping suppliers is by using Shopify apps like Alberlo, Spocket, AliExpress. Select products that are trending and have good profit margins. Consider factors like product quality, shipping time, and price. Payment providers in Pakistan. Shopify supports international payment providers. Promote your store on social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. These platforms allow you to run targeted ads and reach your ideal customers. Work with suppliers that offer international shipping or use local logistics providers for faster delivery within Pakistan. Business registration. You may need to register your business as a sole proprietorship or a private limited company in Pakistan, depending on your scale. Use Shopify Analytics to monitor traffic, sales, and other important metrics. This will help you improve your store and marketing strategy. Test your products, marketing strategies, and suppliers before investing too much. Provide excellent customer service and ensure fast communication. Starting a dropshipping business can take time and effort, but with persistence, you can grow a successful Shopify store. Good luck!